One thing that we can do to schedule appointments or tutoring sessions or help sessions with students, especially while we're virtual, is create a Google form. So I've created a Google form for help sessions for my students to sign up. So they start by telling me what's their name, what block do I teach you math, and this is important because I'm secondary, so I have lots of different students and they might have the same name. Then the third question is really important that you make a drop down. Okay, so what time would you like help? So if I'm offering tutoring at 10 o'clock, I'll give them some options. You can put as many options as you want. So I'm going to put in 3 options. So now if I go up here to my add-ons, you can add a choice eliminator too. And what this does, I'm going to click configure, is it allows students to pick what time they want. And once somebody picks that time, it disappears. So for this, I have not had this problem that it talks about, but there's a warning there if you want to look at it. So on this side, it asks me which question do I want to have where there's eliminations, and I want the time to be eliminated. So I'm going to check the box, and it's going to create it. And you'll know it's done creating because the gear turns green. So now the gear is green. So this is where I have options. So under the gear, I have the option of deciding how many students I want at that time. So maybe I want to do small group tutoring and I want to make it 5 students. You can make it as many as you want. And then for no more options, I can add please email me. And that allows the students that when they see there's no more times left, they can click this and they'll know to email me. So what does this look like as a teacher? So if I click preview, I'm going to put in a name. We'll say they're my block 1. They come and they pick 1015. So 1015, I only had 1 student option. So when I go back here, and let's say this student wants to attend from block 4, well, they can't attend 1015. Well, let's say they pick 10 o'clock. So the student wants to attend 10 o'clock. What if another student also wants to attend 10 o'clock? So 10 o'clock is still there. Because if you remember, I said my 10 o'clock slot could hold 5 students. So you can set that number. And once this hits 5, the 10 o'clock will disappear. So as a teacher, I'm going to just pick 10:30. And as a teacher, what it looks like for me is I get my responses. And then I can make a spreadsheet with it. And so this spreadsheet is going to give me my information. So I know at what time they signed up for the help, what their name is, what block they're from, and then again, what time specifically they're coming in to get help. So hopefully this helps you. This has been a really great tool for me to set up conferences with students to give them extra help one-on-one while we're virtual.